So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video I am going to talk about a very exciting job opportunity floated by Bank of America on its website, and this job opportunity is very similar to Amazon's transaction risk investigator job role. So those of you who have seen my video related to Amazon transaction risk investigator or TRI must be aware about what kind of job that is and what kind of interview questions and answers are asked for that particular role, because I've already made a video. So I thought that I should make this video because in this job also freshers are eligible, and this is very similar to that role. So you may be interested if you are not able to get selected in Amazon TRI, or you are already working as an Amazon TRI and want a higher salary, because for this particular role salary can start from 3 lakhs per annum and even can go up to 6 lakhs per annum, and they are seeking individuals or freshers who have experience from 0 to 2 years maximum. So considering this small experience, the salary for this job is pretty good. And I'll tell you about this job. There are two jobs that have been floated for two different locations, and they are slightly different, although they are similar to risk investigator role. But these two jobs are slightly different to each other. In one job, you will have to work with the fraud team, and there will be an alert by the fraud team in case they feel there is some online fraud that has occurred in the bank, or someone has taken money from others bank account unknowingly. So this kind of fraud alert they will generate, and then you will have to review that alert as to if this alert is true, or the transaction is correct. So there will be a process that you will have to follow. So don't worry, you don't need to know that process, because freshers can apply, so company will tell you what process that is. But then you need to have those skills so that you can learn that process. So let's talk about what are the skills that you would require to have this job role. So since it is an American bank, you need to have good communication skills, both verbal and written. Secondly, you need to have very strong analytical skills, just as in the TRI role for Amazon. And other skills that are required for this role are good MS Office proficiency in Excel and Word, and good typing speed also. So they have written 30 to 40 words per minute. So good typing speed is required for this job role. Now I'll talk about the other job role that is also similar, but in that case customers will come to you and they will claim that some fraud has occurred, or their transaction has been fraudulently done by some other person. So in that case you have to check the authenticity of what the customer is saying. So you have to check whether customer is making a right claim or not. So this is a little bit of difference in these two different job roles, and the interview rounds and the skills that are required are pretty similar. So I've already talked about the skills. Now I'll talk about the interview rounds. The round one will be jam round, where they will give you a very easy topic, like talk about a memorable day or this kind of topic, and you will have to speak for 1 minute. So you can prepare accordingly. To check your verbal communication, they will do this. Then second round will be to check your typing skills. So as I said, they want 30 to 40 words per minute, and they want high accuracy also. They have written 98% accuracy, but I don't think that is possible. So I think around 90 plus percent accuracy at least they require. And then there will be HR round, where they will ask you very basic questions about yourself, why you want to join this role, why this company, these kind of questions they can ask you. And then there will be operations round. So for operations round, you can check my video for transaction risk investigator. I'm sure it will be helpful for you, but I'll also show you 3 to 4 questions that can be asked for this particular job role that may not be covered in that particular job role for TRI. So for that I'll take you to my computer screen, and I'll also show you how you can apply for this job role. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and there are some important questions that I wanted to tell you for operations round. So they can ask, will you work for a process that is not in your domain? So suppose if you are not from the finance background, why you want to do this job? So it's not that they will not allow you to sit, but they will ask you this question. So you should have a valid answer for this. What do you know about Bank of America? So I would suggest you to read about Bank of America by going to its website, when it was formed, where it is located in America, where is the headquarter, what are some of the products and services. Then why Bank of America? So here you can talk about good things about Bank of America. And lastly, they may give you a role play type of question where they will act as a customer, and you will have to talk to a customer whose credit card is stolen. So what process you will follow. So this kind of role play they can give you, but they will definitely help you in that. They will just check you what method you apply if you have such a situation with you. So any kind of situation they can give you. So these were the some of the questions, and now I'll show you how you can apply for this. So again, I'm giving the link of my website. So here you can see I will be giving link for team member Mumbai and team member Gurugram separate. The name of this position is team member, but the responsibilities are similar to TRI. So if you want to apply, suppose for Gurugram location, you can click here, and everything is given on this. Eligibility, requirement, job description you can read, required skills you can read, and if you are comfortable you have to click on this website link. Please do not click on apply for this job button, as it is not a button actually. So once you click on it, it will redirect you directly to the website of Bank of America. So it is not on any job portal but directly on website. So here you can read about full details, and if you feel comfortable you can just click here and apply, and then they will ask certain details of yours, and then you will be able to apply. So they have this page on Workday. So Workday is a landing page that most of the companies have, where you can apply for their jobs. So you can check, it is taking some time to load, but you will be able to apply. So you can see here, and then after filling your details you will be able to apply. Similarly for Mumbai as well as Gurugram location, and this job has been floated yesterday only, the Gurugram location, and Mumbai was floated last week. So these are fresh jobs, so you can apply accordingly, and do watch my video for TRI for Amazon. And in case you want to get your CV rectified, because it is also a very important part of job hunting, because I have seen that many candidates are not getting calls for interview also. So they ask me what is the reason. So the only reason is resume. So we have started this service. So if you want to check that out, please check out the link below in the description box, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.